So hi, we are at Rujhawa in Manikpur core range. So if you see, this is a deserted chowki out here. This is around 8 kilometers from the Shakti chowki that we saw uh, in our previous video. From there to this place, there is absolutely no water, and actually right now here also there is no water in summers. This is a relatively a flat bed out here with patches of grassland, and the movement of cheetal is very nice here. So tiger movement is also pretty good here in this area. There is a well out here which has got water for the entire year, and what I am proposing here is that we do a 1 HP system here for the well, and there is a lake, and also there is a water body which is proposed by the forest department. So we'll make that saucer. So we'll give water to that saucer and to the lake. On an automated mode, the system will work, and automatically in both the water bodies the water will go, and the area will have water in entire summer. So we gave water 1 or 2 kilometers inside from that chowki. Here we'll have water, and then after that, after 4-5 kilometers at the base at Hanuman Chowk, we'll give water. So this area will have some amount of water on the top here, and the animals will stay here in the summers, which they are not staying. They are moving towards the village areas. So this area will actually become a very good place. There is no movement of human out here. It is a complete core area. Forest department is also not very regularly coming in here because of the kind of terrain it is, plus they have no chowkis inside, nothing inside. So an old place, very beautiful place. We should definitely do it here. This is the water body from Rujhanwa, a big water body. If you can give water here only, even if the saucer is not made. Right now it dries up by April, but if you can give water here, this will sustain here. What I was trying to see was the movement of animals. So a lot of animals are actually drinking water because this is the only source of drinking water here. We can see regular cheetal, lot of wild boar, lot of presence of the sloth bear and other animals out here as well, plus the tiger and the leopard population is a moving population here. So if we can give a permanent water source here in summers, actually the tiger will stay in this area, which is moving out of this place in summers because there is no water on this 15 kilometers plateau out here, which is the most core area of this forest. So this is a must do place where we should actually give water here for the animals.